Today, we will be testing a new trend indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing thousands of indicators and strategies, and I'm testing more every single day here on the channel. I've taken the information from my testing and compiled that into spreadsheets. And if you are interested in getting access to the original 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together, you can get access absolutely free. Just click the link down below in the description that says 1100 plus free indicator list here. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a new trend indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 698 different strategies, with 193 of them being winners. And so far, since we've been using the Nexus backtest indicator, we've tested the most recent 110 different strategies. And out of those 110 different strategies, we've been able to make every single one either more profitable than the original strategy or profitable when the original strategy wasn't using the Nexus backtest indicator. And so far, the single best weekly profit from one single strategy has been $7,300. Before we get on with today's video, I realized I've never actually showed the spreadsheet here on the channel. And I feel like there's a lot of value here for the patrons of the channel, and people might want to see what it is that they would be getting. So what we have here is the title of the source video. We have a link to the video that I made on the strategy. We have the win rate. Then here in blue is the really interesting stuff done with Nexus. We have a link to the layout, the win rate of the modified version, and its profit per week, as well as the indicator that I made if there is a custom indicator. And within this little bitty column right here, this is the settings that I changed within Nexus to get to these more profitable versions, which really helps the patrons understand what makes a profitable strategy. But the really cool things are these links right here. These are the forward testing links. So forward testing basically means we put Nexus into an environment where it forward tests the strategy like it's live trading in the market. And these are the links to that. And the ones marked with the green here means that they are profitable strategies in forward testing, generally over a couple hundred trades or at least 100 trades and a reasonable amount of profit. So we'll just run through 3 of them real quick. You can see this one right here, $635 profit per week. It's been trading for 2 months. This one here, over 2 months, almost 3, we have $784 in profit weekly. And then this one right here has only been trading for 24 days, but it has almost $1,800 a week in profit. So you can see how valuable these layouts and these links are to these forward testing. And it really gives you confidence that you can jump in with these strategies and hopefully continue to earn money with them. All right, let's go ahead and get back to today's testing. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a new trend indicator. And so the source of video's title says, "This new smart trend indicator finds accurate buy and sell levels." Really, I suppose the only question would be what the creator of the source video defines as being accurate. That's really hard to know for sure, but the indicator does give buy and sell levels and buy and sell labels. And that's really what we're looking for to see what we can get out of it when we test this particular indicator. And the indicator that we have on screen is called the Smart Trend Pro. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and add that one to the screen. And you can see it here on screen. You can see that it gives signals or labels like this here. And this is what we tested, was the strong buy and strong sell. There's a standard buy and sell, and then there's the strong ones like this here. And so for a long trade setup, what we are looking for is a strong buy tag like this here. And that would be our signal to enter into the long. We'd set our trade right here. We'd put our stop just right below this little pivot area here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Let's put it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers on this indicator. So we just go ahead and exit out of the bar replay like so. And we'll turn on the Nexus backtest indicator, give it a moment to load the results. All right, so we have a 43.8% win rate, 138 trades altogether. We look back about 20,000 bars and 3 months worth of trading, puts our total profit and loss at a gain of $6,335. Puts our total profit and loss per week at a gain of $437. And so, all things considered, not a horrible indicator using it on the default settings like so. Now, of course, we played around with the settings some like we normally do, and we came up with this version here, 36.6% win rate. So we dropped the win rate some, 113 trades altogether, 20,000 bars, look back, and about 3 months worth of trading. Puts our total profit and loss now at a gain of $20,465. Puts our total profit and loss per week at a gain of $1,412. So definitely better results, about a $1,000 gain per week. At $1,400 a week, it's not going to make you rich, but it's definitely going to put you pretty well off. So again, not bad at all. Now, these settings, like usual, are the settings that we put in the spreadsheet that we provide to all the patrons of the channel. If you're interested, join our Patreon down below. Super cheap and easy to follow the steps to achieve these kind of results. So, all right, that's it for this video here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list because this one was profitable right out of the gate. And of course, we noted the more profitable version in the spreadsheet, and we'll move on to the next video from here.